At the beginning of a game, you select a word, and we'll select a random word from our app. So the word is think. And then you can begin the game, and each of these handholds gets assigned a letter. So now the teacher has given the student a word to spell, and they can go climb around the wall and start to spell the word. So the word is think, so we start T, and then H, I, N. And as the student spells, the word is updated on our display over here so they can see their progress. It's also updated on the application to show they're spelling the word correctly. And then the final letter is K, and we get a winner on the screen and on the application.
So we selected a kayak as the base of our bot because it's sturdy and it's very durable. We are powered with a solar panel connected to a deep cycle battery so that it can last for a long time by itself in the water. So we have lots of different sensors connected to the brain. We have a pH sensor, a camera, and a microphone for measuring the water quality and also taking pictures of wildlife, taking recordings.
So with a push of a button, actually, we can switch from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth. Once that LED comes on, that lets me know that it is in Bluetooth mode, and we can go into the app and select our device, which is labeled as ESP32 BLE for Bluetooth Low Energy. And on the app, we can type in what sensors we're using. So we're using a moisture sensor and a light sensor, and that's what the Scout is sending it as. So we can type that in, and then we can get our readings in real time on the app.
If I were to take off this green bottle and replace it with a yellow one, which is to say about maybe 75% full, the GUI should take some time and eventually update to show a yellow coloring. And there we go, so now it's yellow. And then I can take this one off, put on an orange bottle, and then once again give it some time to transmit the new value onto the GUI. So after putting the orange bottle onto the coaster, the application updates with an orange color. And then finally, if I were to put a red bottle onto the coaster and let that transmit over, it will update the coaster on the application with the red coloring signifying that it's nearly empty and that maybe waitstaff should go in and refill their drink.
So to start, you're on your home page here. You would go to settings, and then there's a tutorial you can follow. After that, you'll go and you're going to turn on your device. When the device is on, you'll see that it has a blue LED that blinks saying, "I'm ready to pair." When you're doing that, you move on to the next screen, and you just say, "Pair my device." It finds your device, and you tap on the device. It'll connect to your device and close the screen. So you just tap the button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then it will display where you're at in a GPS location, and it will also explain a similar EMS message that will be sent to your buddies and EMS services.